Hi, it's Alex here, otherwise known as My Kitchen Drawer. After the Christmas period, there is no better time to get your home tidy and organised. And these are my top tips to get your kitchen clean and refreshed for the new year. Your oven has seen a lot of action over the Christmas period. I'm lucky enough to have a self-cleaning function on my Bosch oven. So all I have to do is remove the racks and set it to the cleaning function. Another thing I love to do at this time of year is to restock and refresh all of my baking ingredients. A great tip is to store them in glass labelled jars, so they're really organised and they look beautiful too. The best thing about quartz is that it's the perfect surface for a busy kitchen like mine, and to clean it I just use a mix of soapy water and a microfiber cloth. Another great tip for this time of year is to check that all of your baking ingredients are in date. I hate waste, so this is a great way for me to use up what I can before it's too late. I hope you found those tips useful and they help you when cleaning and refreshing your kitchen. Happy New Year!